Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I have a DIY, a bandana for your dog. You are going to need the fabric and you can use any material. Scissors, hot silicone gun, silicone bars, centimeter or rule, and you're gonna need the velcro, and this kind of velcro have glue. I don't know how to say in English, sorry. And guys, I know Candy, my dog, is distracting you. I'm so sorry. Well, here I have a bandana of my dog, and I'm going to take the measurements of this model to make our new bandana. So let's get started with the video. Right here I have my sample, another bandana, so we need to measure it. This side measures 10 inch and the same the other side, 10 inch. And this side 14.5 inch. So now we got the measures and we have to create a new bandana with the same measures. Fold into a triangle, measure, and then we have to cut it out. When you have the square like this, fold into a triangle and glue the edges. And guys, leave a small gap at the edge to turn the fabric inside out. And don't forget, glue the hole when you finish the process. Guys, I'm already cut a long piece of the same fabric and fit around my dog neck. And the measurement is 2.5 each or 6 centimeters. Now turn upside down, fold over the edges and glue it. Place the long strip in the middle and glue it. And guys, I found these tassels in my house, so I want to be using them. So I think it's a very cute detail. And just glue it in this part of the bandana, so just be creative. And we almost done. So right here I have the bandana sample, so just I put over my new bandana and measure the length of the neck Just I want to be sure if the lawn is exactly the measure of my dog's neck. And when you already measure the length of your dog's neck, just cut the ends of the strip of the fabric. And right now I'm gonna fold the ends, and then we have to glue them down. And finally, glue the Velcro in both ends. Now let's put the bandana on the bottle. She's Candy, my Coton de tulear. Please follow her every Saturday here on my channel. Share this video with your friends if you like it, and don't forget thumbs up, and see you later, alligator! Guys, don't forget follow me on my social media and subscribe to my channel and watch my last videos. See you next time. Bye bye.